So it's Christmas party season and ako kay since wala akong advisory kasi I'm a floating teacher. I'm invited by the grade 8 avocado. Thank you John Lane and the rest of the grade 8 for inviting me over here. So food ang atake natin today. So join me as I eat. Along of course with the old money peeps at the back. Alright, let's go.
Binutan ta para tsada makuha sa Pasko.
Sana tsada ang gift nga gihatag na ako.
New phone and ang akong gift kay useful.
My wish is may tag magkadayon ang mga torpe din sa classroom kay mabuang tagapin. Okay! Bahala bisigod sa kumakuha sa Pasko basta ayaw lang di para sa grade 5 o grade 6 nga mag-DCCO pa jud.
So, hi guys. I'm very grateful today nga napasapon ka. Natayon na jud ang Christmas party! Yeah, guys, very thankful kay ko ni Lord kay dayon na jud ang tanan, guys.
What's up, y'all? Quick message. All I want for Christmas is money, please. Like 3,000, 4,000, any donations, please. Thank you.
I wish for a new tablet so I can play Roblox more smoothly.
Ang wish na ko is magkunga unta si Gilbert.
Akong Christmas wish kay I hope every Christmas is happy.
Merry Christmas. Ganahan ro kwarta. Ma.
Live with love.
Live with love, everyone. Merry Christmas.
I wish for more Mountain Dew. A new sketchpad, yes.
Yeah, new sketchpad. Okay, ano mong Christmas wish?
Siya.
One, to everyone have a good health and a good life and happy family.
Okay, bye everyone. I am your host. Thank you. Merry Christmas. And a happy New Year. Woo!
My wish for Christmas is kanang makauli akong mama.
Ultralight ra, ultralight.
Expect mo dawat.
Plato. Plato.
Perfume!
Fishing rod.
Balo ka balo? Balo. Jewelry or siya? Kwarta.
Lemon.
Sapatos.
Bisan unsa.
Good health. Blessings. Mura na.
Mug. $1 billion! Tablet. Gakan kayong sketchbooks. Charang. Cellphone, dayon. Sanina, dayon. Earrings. Lamborghini.
World peace.
Janine, nakimo ang
Happy New Year, everyone.